Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery in South El Monte, California. We have over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock: presses, brakes, grinders, shears, lathes. Today we're going to show you a drill. This is a 24-inch Alzmetall drill, and it has a 10-spindle Procunier drill unit on it for multiple spindles. This unit also has a variable speed handle on the side, which is very unique, and the machine runs very nicely. It's got a 2-speed motor. This machine only runs in 220 volts, 3-phase. You can see here with the speed control, you just push the handle, it goes faster and slower. This saves on time from having to change out the belts to change the speeds. You can see all the drills are turning at the same time. You come down on your piece. Go ahead and put it in the first speed. You see it's much slower now. This will give you the 2 ranges of speeds. You still have the variable speed on the side. You also have the manual crank on the back to raise and lower your table, and the depth stop on the front, as well as the emergency stop. Go ahead and stop the machine.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, ironworkers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.